Hi, hello. Let's continue with this course, okay? So if we want to start working with Android, the first thing is we need to install everything about the tools, about the SDK, and other things I will explain later, okay? So, well, the first step is we need to download the official tool to become an Android developer, okay? And the name is Android Studio. Android Studio is a free tool, okay? So you don't have to pay it or worry about a license or something else. But well, just go to use your browser, okay, and type Android Studio in your favorite search website, okay? In my case, well, obviously, I am using Google, so just type Android Studio, and well, you will see a lot of links, but the most important is you need to worry about only about the official website, okay? developer.android.com, okay? Just be sure about it. For example, you see we have here some ads, but well, let's go to the first link, but not the ad, okay? Well, if you see, always it's not the same user interface, okay? Maybe because you will see the video or the course, I don't know, maybe a couple months later, or maybe a years later. I hope so. But well, you will see a huge button, okay? It's very common actually for, I don't know, the last 5 years. You always see a button, maybe in a different place, but well, it's a huge button, okay? Well, the browser detects your operation system, so you don't have to worry about if you are downloading the correct because they know I am using, for example, Mac OS, okay? So if you are using Windows or Linux, you will have the access in the same button, okay? Well, for example, I will click here. You only need to accept the terms and conditions, okay? If you want to read it, well, you can read later. You need to accept this in this option, and later, for example, in my case for Mac, I have two options: the Intel chip and Apple chip. In my case, I need to download the Apple chip, okay? Well, in this moment, if you have an M1 or M2, you will use the same, okay? So you only need to worry about the Intel or Apple chip. For example, in my case, I have one computer with M1, another computer with M2, so I am using the same version in the same option here, okay? Well, I don't need to download this again because I have it. Actually, I don't have the last version. This is the last version, Giraffe. I don't have this version. You will see when I open the Android Studio tool in the next videos, but it's the same. You can work with this one, or you can upload. I don't remember even if I have the new or the latest version, but well, let's see. Well, in this case, just click here, okay, and wait for the download. In my case, I will cancel, okay? Like I said before, I have it, okay? And well, I hope to see you later.